Everybody, this is Andreas Arias. I'm going to show you outside. It's really raining and hard. Show you how it is outside. I don't know if you can see it right though. Just look outside here. It's raining over there. There's a ball getting soaked by now. It's getting flooded. Let me see if you can take a look over there. You can see that. Gosh, it's pretty heavy out here. Look over here, it's getting soaked out here. Yeah, see the ball right there. If you look at that, it's getting flooded. Here, wow. Dang, that's a lot of rain out there. Alright everyone, this is Andreas Arias. See you next time on the next video. Alright, bye.